Hey there, it's Joel Cap from Peakora here. Thank you so much for downloading or signing up for something on our website. Now, probably your main goal is not to read that case study or read that report, but probably to understand where are you standing with your business right now and what do you need to do to bring it to the next level. Now, if you give me a few minutes and you listen to what I say, this is exactly what I have in store for you, because I like to invite you to a strategy session with one of our startup experts. Now, all the experts that work at Peakora are people that have even founded companies themselves before or have been directors at high growth startups previously. So that means these people already lived through what you are currently experiencing, and they know what's ahead of you and can directly tell you what needs to be done to make it right from the start. So there are three things we usually do in such a strategy session. First, get an understanding for your business and where you're standing right now, what's going on. Second, screen your business to identify all the existing challenges, but also the unknown challenges to pinpoint the top three that you should be focusing and solving on right now. And third, of course, give you the solutions to those challenges, how you can overcome them to reach the next level. Now, that's quite important because today you don't know what you don't know, right? Sounds very stupid, but it's actually quite important. If I reflect on myself, I've been the head of growth at Beekeeper. That was a B2B SaaS based here in Zurich, with which we grew from 3 to 20 million in a very short amount of time. Now, that was an amazing story. It's still a great company today, but similar to many other companies, we of course also did a lot of mistakes. And if you have a company or even just a team which is running in the wrong direction for 3, 6, or even 9 months, that's so expensive, a waste of money and a waste of time and resources. And this is what you definitely want to avoid. So what are the three things you're going to walk away when doing such a strategy session? First, you're going to have a very clear understanding for the most important challenges you need to solve to reach next level. Second, you get the solutions from the expert on how exactly to solve those challenges. And third, you're going to get a 3-step game plan that will get you results over the next 90 days. Now, you're probably asking yourself, hey Joel, why are you offering this for free? Well, the answer is very simple, because usually when we create game plans like this and present that to people, people are like, wow, that's amazing. Can you help me implement this? If this is what you want, yeah, absolutely. We can do that. We're actually really good at it. That's our job, our daily bread, right? If not, absolutely cool. No problem. But in any case, you're going to have this 3-step action plan that will help you to get results fast. But the only way to get this action plan and have a strategy session with us is to submit the form below. That will lead you to a calendar page. You can book a 20-minute introduction call with us. In this call, we just get to know each other. We're going to figure out if and how we can help you best and who might be the best expert for you, and then get you set up and get running. That's it already from my side. Thank you very much for listening. Hope to see you soon. Ciao zusammen, bis bald. Bye bye.